Hello everyone, now we continue to copy the plugin. Click on the front view, select, right click, copy, click on the base point, press S2, type it 0.3, enter. This one is the same, right click, copy, press S2, type 0.3, enter. Now after complete modeling and copy plugin and guts, we continue to model the pressing system. Click on beams, non-composite, S225, auto design, turn it off, UI section, and UI 200. And take a top plane continuous restraint. This is also the pressing system. We place it at the top of the column to improve the out of plane. Yes. Okay. Select, Control select, Control select, right click, copy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After we model start and tie at the top of column and at the page, model edge pressing. Click on the edge pressing and material grade is at 225 and change it. Now I want to use this one. Select and untick auto design option. Okay. Click, 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 enter, click, click, enter, click, click, enter, click, click, enter, click, enter, click, click, enter. Okay, select all and use the option edit mirror and take all, click on the press pair, click the base point, click the second point, Control, copy, click on the base point and click on the second point and tick steel member. Okay, escape. We complete for the edge pressing. Okay, for this one you can do the same. Control select all, by select all and use the filter mirror, edit mirror, mirror only the press, click the base point and click the second point. It is how you can model edge pressing and use the mirror option. Click edge pressing again, model, edge pressing again. Click first point, second point, enter, click first point, click first point, second point, enter. Yes, select the the press and click on the node, drag and drop to the top. Click on the press, Control select, use the mirror option, click on the base point, click on the second point, and click, Control click, right click, copy, click on the base point and click on the second point. Now we complete for the raster, column, purlin gate and pressing system. Yeah, this is also the part of pressing system and edge pressing. The next step we will model the mezzanine floor. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed it.